Hey Amazon shoppers, it's Amy from 911 Studios, and today we are checking out the best beds on Amazon. You guys, this is an excellent option. It's so affordable, so beautiful, and a super classic style. It's from Zinus. It's their Dachelle Upholstered platform bed frame. So you guys, if you don't know, Zinus is an amazing brand. They make beds and even mattresses on Amazon. They have great mattresses. They are one of those that come like the bed in a box thing. So really convenient to have shipped to you. So definitely check out their mattresses as well if you're in the market. You have the option of even doing a combo and getting like the mattress and this bed as well. So check all of those options out. But just as far as the bed goes, I'll tell you guys, great classic design. You've got the platform bed design. It's all upholstered all the way around, and the upholstered headboard as well. This is gonna match everything. It's going to be a real classic and never go out of style. It's also gonna last you a long time because they are all made out of really high quality materials. The twin size supports up to 250 pounds, and all of the other sizes support up to 500. According to the manufacturer. So they are really sturdy, really good. I love that these do not require a box spring, so that's great. It's a good way to save a little bit of money. I also think it gives a really cool modern look to the bed, just that kind of like low profile design. And I also think it's really comfortable. They also, Zinus has updated how they do their slats, which I really love. The first platform slat, no box spring bed that I had, just really had like two little notches to keep the slats in place, and I found that over time they would shift. Zinus has obviously thought of that and remedied that problem, because you'll notice that they have strips of like Velcro on each side to keep the slats perfectly in place, so they're not going to bother you, they're going to stay put, and they're going to be a really great alternative to that box spring. This is just a great bed, great design, great price, and Zinus is, you know, just a great company. One thing that really sets them apart to me is that they give really clear instructions and directions. You're gonna get this all in one box. It's gonna have all of your tools for assembly with you, really clear instructions. It's gonna be easy to put together, and you can get it done in under an hour. So you guys, if you're in the market for a bed, check this out, check out their mattresses. You're gonna be so glad you did.